Hey guys, I have two main goals with this video. The first one is to educate and motivate you to learn how to make money online. And the second is to beat Improvement Pill's video on the same topic. And hopefully by accomplishing the first goal, by educating and motivating you, and adding immense value throughout this video, it will lead me to my second goal, because for some reason I'm really competitive. Anyways, the first half of this video will be about active income, and active income is basically exchanging your own time for money. And the last half of this video will be about passive income online, which basically means that it requires a little bit of initial startup time and resources, but very, very little upkeep once you set it up. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to give you my 3 recommendations for a beginner, what I would have told myself a long time ago if I was starting to try to earn money online. So feel free to sit back and learn. You can even minimize this video if you'd like. Anyways, here we go. So if you've never heard of Amazon MTurk before, what it stands for is Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's basically a marketplace hosted by Amazon to do things that robots can't do, that they have to have humans to do, and they outsource it to you guys. They outsource it to people with extra time who want to earn a little extra money. There are all kinds of tasks on this website, anywhere from searching data to data entry to transcribing, which transcribing means watching and listening to a video or audio file and then typing it. And you can actually make $15 to $30 an hour if you know how to do this correctly. And if you know more than one language, you can actually make money on this website by translating stuff. Now, I've personally done this and I earned around $40 to $50, and I didn't put much work into it. But my friend, he worked a full-time job and he actually did this on the side, and he did it for a couple of months and actually earned more than, I think it was like $350 each month. So they are real, they do pay out, you just have to put the time into it. Another way to make money online is by eBay. Now, you can combine eBay, Craigslist, you can even go to the dollar store, Facebook Marketplace, and basically what you do is you become an entrepreneur, buying low and selling high. You know, you go to your local dollar store and you find this little trinket, oh, that looks cool, I wonder what it costs on eBay. You look it up on eBay and you can sell it for $20 more. Maybe it's a Super Soaker water gun. You buy it at the dollar store for $3, you sell it on eBay for $23. Boom, $20 right there. It probably doesn't even take you an hour worth of your time. Anyways, there are all kinds of marketplaces out there, and if you learn how to leverage them, what sells best where, you can make a ton of money flipping stuff. Number 3 is surveys. Now, surveys are kind of a pain in the butt, especially because you start getting some spam in the mail, but you can make a ton of money on this. There's places out there like Swagbucks, which I'll talk about later, Inbox Dollars, My Points. There's all kinds of places you sign up to, you take daily surveys, and you make money. Now, it's not going to be a substantial amount, like thousands of dollars a month, but if you have a grocery bill or a rent or some other type of expense that you need to get taken care of that month and you have some extra time, it's a great way to fill that gap. Now on to Swagbucks. Swagbucks is pretty cool because you can literally get paid by searching stuff. So I did this probably a couple years ago, and I've been doing it every now and then when my free time, and you can earn a lot of extra money doing this. Basically, instead of going to Google, you use Swagbucks custom search engine, which you can set it to Google, and you search stuff like how to tie a tie, and then every once in a while they'll give you a reward for using their search engines. Now, there are tons of other ways to earn money on Swagbucks. You can actually shop. If you're going to shop on Amazon and you shop through them, they will actually pay you a percentage of money for doing that. You can watch videos that they have, basically like watching advertisements, other companies. You can play games, answer surveys. There's all kinds of ways to make money on this, and they do pay. I have been paid by this company. Usually they just pay you by gift cards, which isn't that bad. After Swagbucks is Instagram shoutouts. Now, Instagram shoutouts is really cool, but it does take a little bit of time to build up because you have to have an initial following. Now, it's really cool because initially, if you want to get a whole bunch of followers, you can go through, follow 100 people, and then unfollow that 100 people, and you'll usually have a net gain of like 10 to 50 new followers. And if you do that over time, maybe 1,000 times in 1 month or a couple months, eventually you'll start to gain followers. And if you need to, you can actually buy them. But after you have that initial following, you can actually sell shoutouts. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, follow me at practical_psych. There's some awesome updates on there that I can't share on YouTube that I share on my Instagram. Anyways, when I get up to around 200,000, maybe even 500,000, I can start asking people to pay me so that I can shout them out. I have a friend who does this. He has around 2 million Instagram followers, and you might think, holy moly, that's a lot of followers to get. I don't think I can ever do that. Well, he said the same thing around 2 years ago, and now he makes around $5,000 to $6,000 a month just by doing shoutouts. He's easily made his money back. The next way to make money online is by freelance jobs. Now, one of the best marketplaces for freelance work is Upwork, and this is actually what I use for all kinds of other stuff. So if you're a video editor, if you're a graphic designer, even if you just want to like literally play a video game or test a website, people will pay you to do this. Also, if you're ever in need of a virtual assistant, Upwork is a great place to go. Personally, I use Upwork to hire occasional article writers, video editors, and even to do some graphic design work that I don't feel comfortable doing myself. But you can sign up to Upwork as a freelancer, which means when someone posts a job, you can do it. Boom, there's $60 in your pocket for designing a background, or boom, there's $100 in your pocket for editing a 6-minute video. Now, another usually cheaper marketplace is Fiverr. Now, Fiverr's really cool because there's a lot more people that do it, usually because this stuff is cheaper. And you can make money by selling your services. So you can do SEO work, you can do video editing, graphic design, even website feedback if you're comfortable doing that. But you can sell your own services. But there's another way to make money with Fiverr that not very many people know about. And if they do know about it, they're usually raking in a ton of cash. And that is to buy services from Fiverr for $5, $10, and then sell them to businesses who don't know how to get the same services that cheap for maybe $100, $200. I've literally seen some guy go to a company and say, hey, I'll make you a logo for $500, and then he takes that and he goes and pays $5 or $10. He gets a great logo and he just made like over $400 profit for a weekend's worth of work. It's crazy. Once you learn how to do this, you can scale it and make all kinds of money. Now let's talk a little bit about passive income. Now, if you don't know anything about passive income, I highly encourage you to buy my ebook in the link below. It's called Passive Income Tutorial, and it goes through all kinds of mistakes that I've made in the past and what I've done in the past that has made me successful. In fact, 1 month I actually earned $15,000. A couple months later, I actually didn't do any work for a solid month. I literally read books all month. I didn't do anything online and I earned $4,000. If you watch all the way through this video, there will be a video in the end screen showing that proof. And the reason I did that was as a testimonial to say, I know how to make passive income online, and you can buy this ebook if you want to learn how. Because there are a ton of people out there who say they can make money online, but the only way that they make money online is by selling other people the dream that they can make money online too. Anyways, the first way you can make passive income online is by selling photos. So there are all kinds of websites out there that will pay you a percentage of how much money they earn from selling your photo. So stuff like SmugMug, Pro, Shutterstock, iStock Photo. If you've ever tried to buy a photo, you'll realize, wow, that was $100 for one photo. Well, that's because Shutterstock pays a percentage of that money to the person that took that photo. And you can do the same. You can take one photo and then sell it on Shutterstock, and who knows, someone might buy that every day and you'll get $50. That's $50 a day that you don't have to do any more work. And that's the glory of passive income. The second way that I've learned to make passive income online is through ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a marketplace, basically, of other people's products. And the cool thing about this is that you get to sell someone else's product. It's basically affiliate marketing, and I'll talk a little bit about that in the future. On ClickBank, personally, there are only 2 products that I highly encourage someone to buy because I have bought them before, and they're super easy to sell. The first one is K-Money Mastery, and the second one is Video Breakthrough Academy. And Video Breakthrough Academy was actually created by one of my YouTuber friends. Anyways, what you do is you make a whole bunch of content, and then you lead people to your affiliate link. And then whenever someone clicks on that affiliate link, you get a percentage of the sale. For example, Video Breakthrough Academy, every time I sell one of those, I get half of whatever someone pays for the product. So if they pay $300 for that, I will earn $150. Some people make over $60,000, $80,000. There are even some people who earn over $500,000 online through selling other people's product. The third coolest way to make passive income online is through Amazon affiliates. Now, the way that Amazon affiliates work is that you put a link in your description of your YouTube channel or your blog or some other website that you have, and what happens is whenever someone clicks on that link, boom, they get a cookie on their browser, which means any product they buy on Amazon for the next 24 hours, you get a percentage of. And one example of this is that on my YouTube channel, I sell books. I create book reviews and then I sell books in the affiliate link in the description. And someone actually clicked on one of those links and then went and bought a $1,000 camera. Now, I personally did not sell that $1,000 camera, but what happened was Amazon wanted to reward me for directing the person to Amazon, and they actually gave me like $50 for that sale. I wasn't even selling a camera, and that was something that is really cool that a lot of people can do. And usually the more clicks you can get on your Amazon affiliate links, the more money you will earn, even if it's not selling your product. Now, one guy I know who has earned a ton on this and has all kinds of experience, his name is Lukman Khan, and he has a website that literally sells just wireless routers. And he has documented that he has earned over $40,000 in 1 month from Amazon affiliate earnings. Now, I mentioned earlier that I actually have an ebook, and that's a whole nother way that you can make passive income, is by selling Kindle ebooks. Now, Kindle ebooks are really easy to create, and some people think that it's just really hard to make them, so they don't get into them. But I bought and went through the K-Money Mastery course, which I'll link in the description below, and it teaches you how to create a Kindle ebook, how to market your Kindle ebook, how to do little tips and tricks on the Kindle store so that it does well in selling. And I did that before I created my passive income tutorial ebook, and it did amazingly well. I've earned like $600 or $700 in the first couple months. But the trick with making money on Kindle is not that you have one book that makes you $1,000 a month. It's having 100 books that makes you $1 a day. So that adds up, and over time your investments start to return on themselves, and you have 100 ebooks, maybe making between 1 and 2 sales a day, earning you $100 to $200 a day, and that adds up over time. So if you're interested in that, I highly recommend going and checking out K-Money Mastery. And you can do something that Improvement Pill recommended, which is to buy the product and then go through the course, learn everything, and then if you need to, for some reason you need that money back, you can ask for a refund, because there is a 30-day refund on that product. You can get that money back, and then you can start creating your Kindle courses, and then when you start earning your money back, you know, it's a respect thing, it's a moral thing, you should buy the product again so that the guy gets his money. The next way to make passive income online is by selling digital files. Now, one of the best sites that I've found to do this is sellfi.com, and usually they take a commission of whatever you sell. It's like 2 to 5%, I think. But you can create a small little course, or you can have website templates, or you can have your own WordPress themes and sell it on this website, drive traffic to that, and then eventually you'll make money. Another way to make money by selling stuff is signing up for Udemy and teaching a course. Now, I've heard by some specific people that Udemy kinda sucks because they'll jip you out of money, because they'll take your $300 course and then put it on sale for $10 so that they can get more users on their website. And that's kind of black hat, kind of ripping off creators. But what I recommend doing is going to teachable.com. Teachable, for me personally, I think it's way better than Udemy. And it's actually what I'm going to be making my own personal courses on. I'm almost finished with a habit course, and I'm working on some ideas on social skills, money management, and the psychology of your thought, those courses. If for some reason you're interested in those courses and you want a coupon on them whenever they come out, I guarantee you will have a coupon. You will get a better price than everyone else if you go to practicalpie.com and put your little email in that newsletter thing, that whenever I launch that course, I will launch it with a coupon code so that you'll get it at a cheaper version. So on to a membership website, and this is essentially what I was going to do with Practical Pie. I was going to say, alright everyone, $30 a month, you can sign up to my membership site, you'll get all kinds of information that I've learned, have regurgitated from books, everything I've learned from business, psychology, relationships. But those kind of membership sites take a lot of upkeep, and I didn't want to do that on my own, so I outsourced it to Teachable. And whenever I launch my course, that's what I'm going to use, as Teachable, instead of my own membership website, so that I don't have to deal with the coding and the back-end stuff. And the last way that I'm going to mention how you can make money online is by building a YouTube channel. Now, when you build a YouTube channel, you can make a lot of money with ad revenue, but it takes a ton of views. You can actually make way more money if you sell stuff in the description. You might get 10,000 views and that might earn you $20, but if you get 10,000 views and 10% of those people buy a $300 course of yours, that's going to earn way more money than the video ever will. So when you build a YouTube channel, you have got to be passionate. And I cannot stress this enough, because there are tons of people who get into YouTube and will make a couple videos and then fall out because they're not passionate about it, and then they just give up. And for me, I want to tell you guys personally, it took 98 videos for my channel to hit that big golden star and to go boom. YouTube likes this channel, it's going to start promoting it. One of my videos got into recommended, I learned. And after creating 98 videos, I got really good at how to create titles, how to make your thumbnails, and how to make sure that the viewer was engaged. I learned how to do all of that through 98 videos. Now, for some reason, if you want to skip making 97 videos and you want to have all of that experience on your own, you can actually go and check out the Video Breakthrough Academy. It's actually created by one of my friends. I've went through the course and I was like, man, I wish I could have learned this stuff back when I was starting my YouTube channel so that I didn't have to learn it all myself. Actually, going through his course, I learned even more, and it was really helpful. So if for some reason you guys want to check that out, I'll put a link to that in the description below. It's called Video Breakthrough Academy. There is some amazing value in there. He goes over how to make more money on YouTube videos. He goes over how to do collaborations correctly. He goes over how to record a video, how to script a video, a whole bunch of little tips and tricks for engagement. And anyways, that is one of the best tools that I would suggest so that you can learn how to make money online quicker. So we went over about 8 active income tips, which is MTurks, eBay, surveys, swagbucks, Instagram shoutouts, freelance work on Fiverr, and then actually selling Fiverr products to higher businesses. And then we also went over 8 passive income strategies, and that is to sell photos online, utilize ClickBank and affiliate sales, Amazon affiliate sales, selling Kindle ebooks, selling digital files on Sellfy, using Udemy or Teachable to create an online course, creating your own membership website, and building a YouTube channel. So now I'm going to give you my 3 recommendations for any beginners who want to learn how to make money online. The first is to buy the K-Money Mastery program. Ask for a refund, and then buy it again later after you've made your money back. You can learn as much as you want, but premium stuff will always contain value, and sometimes just paying that initial cost of buying the K-Money Mastery program will motivate you to work harder and become successful so that you can actually earn your money back. It's a great course. That would be my first recommendation for a beginner who wanted to learn to make money online. As it's been said in the past, you gotta spend money to make money, and this course really doesn't cost that much for how much you're going to be getting out of it. My second recommendation is to sign up for Fiverr and offer whatever skills you have. Now there are a ton of tutorials on this, and if for some reason you don't have a skill, you can start watching YouTube videos, learn Photoshop, learn After Effects, learn how to code a website, learn how to create a beautiful user interface. Whatever you can do to offer the world value, and then sell that value on Fiverr. And you make most of your money on Fiverr not by selling a $5 product, but by the upsells, selling more expensive upgrades. And my last recommendation for beginners is to buy my ebook in the link below. Now, of course, I will be earning money on this, but hopefully I've added enough value in the ebook that you will earn way more money back. The first third of the ebook is actually going through my mistakes, and what kind of mistakes you guys can skip in the future so that you can make money online quicker. Basically, it'll help you jumpstart your online income career, if that's what you want to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got insane value out of it. If you did, share this video with your friends, click the like button, and subscribe if you want more.